Okay, I'm back to my Google site. All right, so you can see the address up here, or you can go to the main page and use this link over here or on the menu. Okay, now, so everything here is free. All right, so we'll just dive into it. And for this particular session, all right, I'll be using this widget over here. Right, so you don't actually have to pay for anything over here. Okay, but right now it is pointing at Apple, right? APL, so Apple symbol. Okay, but you can actually change this. Right, you can actually change this. Of course, most of you will use the all function, but I prefer to look at the stock at this current moment. So one of the stock that I want to look at is actually the which is Meta. All right, which of course previously is known as Facebook, but later on they changed the company name to Meta. All right, and right now, okay, of course, since May all the way to here, we are very close to 2023 at this current moment. All right. We have seen Meta go all the way down, all right, then bounce up a little bit, all right, and more or less stabilize over here. All right, it's about 116, something like this. Okay, but here's the thing: there are speculation, okay, that because Meta has gone all the way down, and in the long run, it may actually rises. Okay, because well, they are a big company, all right, but I am a little bit skeptical. All right, why? Yes, they do have a strong idea about creating the so-called metaverse, but however, they haven't really been so-called successful. And despite the hype, they haven't actually produced anything that I have seen that is exciting. Right? It's just a concept. Okay, so I personally will wait and see, right, what direction Meta is going before I actually put any money into Meta at this current moment. Right. And another one that I am looking at beside Meta is Amazon. Okay, all right, Amazon. All right, AMZN. If you know the symbol code. Uh, and it is very similar, right? They have gone through a cycle of down, then up, and now it's actually pretty low. All right, is actually at a very low point. Right, and if you take this as the low point over here, which is their 80s, right now they are already at the lower 80 range. So it's likely that they may rise. Okay, so this is one thing that I would like to look at this current moment, because I think that they have reached a so-called new low, right? And they are unlikely to go further. All right. So I think they have bottomed up, and most likely that they will be on a trend, okay, upward trend soon, because everyone is still making purchases online, right? Despite that Christmas just is over, but there are always other so-called celebration. Right, so these are the two stock. So if you compare Meta as well as Amazon, I'm more likely to look at Amazon, all right, in the short, mid,